So I'm testing out the brand new SmallRig S70c, which is basically plugged into my iPhone right now using the Blackmagic camera app. Here is the case and everything that comes in it. It's a really quick and easy kit that you can use when you're on the go. That's what it looks like right there. Inside of that, you have the other transmitter. You have the camera receiver. Right here's the slot where the USB-C dongle goes, and this is the microphone that I'm using right now. This is an easy fix that you can get for mobile content creation or on-the-go content. And again, it works with a camera and it works with a cell phone. It works with a tablet, whatever it is that you need it. There's even a lightning adapter as well for the older iPhones in case you need to use that. So let me know in the comments any questions you may have. As always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video.